Sanskrit student would have heard of the word Sandhi and many find it challenging. But Sanskrit Sandhis are actually logical and follow a set of rules. If we understand these rules and practice applying them, we will never go wrong in joining two words or splitting them. This Sanskrit Sandhi series on Janaki Uvacha is aimed at helping you master basic Sanskrit Sandhis. In each video of this series, we will learn one different concept of Sandhi and practice applying its rules across many examples. In this introduction video, we will understand what exactly Sandhi is. Let's start our learning with a prayer to the Guru. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. When letters are arranged one after another without any gap in between them, they join together to form a word. For example, the letters R, A, M and A join together to form Rama. When two words appear after one another and there is no gap between them, they can also join. The process of joining of two words is called Sandhi. What do I mean when I say that there should be no gap between the two words? If we take the sentence Ramaha api agacchati, Rama also comes. The word Rama and api are not interrupted by any other word or letter. So they can both join to give Ramopi. However, the words Ramaha and Agacchati are interrupted by a word, api. So they cannot join in this sentence. Similarly, api and agacchati are not interrupted by any other word, so they join to form apyagacchati. The process of joining of two words is called sandhi. For example, the joining of the words gana plus isha gives us ganesha. The process of splitting a sandhi to give two separate words is called Sandhi-vicchedam. For example, splitting the word Vidyalayah gives us the word Vidya and Alayah. One thing to remember is that sandhis happen between the last letter of the first word and the first letter of the second word. Sandhi can be classified into three main types: Swara Sandhihi, Vyanjana Sandhihi, Visarga Sandhihi. Swara Sandhi, also known as Ach Sandhi, happens between two vowels. That is, if the first word ends with a vowel and the second word also starts with a vowel, then these two vowels join according to some rules. This is called Swara Sandhi. For example, Su plus Agatam. The last letter of the first word is U, which is a Swara. The first letter of the second word is A, which is also a Swara. So when these two join, the new word becomes Swagatam. This is an example of one type of Swara Sandhi. When the last letter of the first word is a Vyanjana and the first letter of the second word is either a Vyanjana or a Swara, they join together to form a new word. This process is called Vyanjana Sandhi. An example of Vyanjana Sandhi would be Ach plus Adihi, Ajadihi. Here a Vyanjana and a Swara are joining. In the example, Samut plus Lasaha gives Samullasaha. Two Vyanjanas are joining. Vyanjana Sandhi is also called Hal Sandhi. Finally, we have Visarga Sandhi. When the first word ends with a Visarga and the second word starts with either a Swara or a Vyanjana, the Sandhi between them is called Visarga Sandhi. For example, Ramaha plus Api gives Ramopi. Kavihi plus Agataha gives Kaviragataha. In the following videos in this series, we are going to start learning different sandhis, starting with the different types of swara sandhi. Stay tuned to this series on Janaki Uvacha. Namaste. Sadguru